You know they're...
I'm videotaping now.
We need somebody to block Miss Singleton, because she'll come out here and be like, dude, y'all should do it up under there. Y'all should do it up under there.
Just right here.
Sure, Miss Singleton's right there. Looking at her.
Hope, I'm recording.
Oh.
Link to Hope's not very experienced.
Did you make her wear a condom? She's supposed to wear a condom. You should have been with us at Tamales. My mom.
Her mom was doing a good job. And we
To
got
a drunk.
to a drunk.
Her mom was doing a long time ago. She was like, oh, hey.
I got you.
Oh,
We were